Hello everyone, and you may be wondering, what game am I playing today? Well, I am playing, a Lion's Pride. I think Whip. I think it was made by the same person that made, the Warrior Cats Ultimate Edition, so yeah. It's, the edit is basically kind of like, is basically, I am like, so, I'm like, I cannot get full words out. I that's just how I am. So yeah. Anyways, let me type in scars real quick. But anyways, the edit is like Warrior Cats Ultimate Edition. So yeah, I'm pretty sure it was made by the same person who made Warrior Cats Ultimate Edition. No scars. Okay. Well, I don't need them. Anyways, let's get started. I've never played this game before. So we're gonna like see how it is, I guess. But oh, I don't see. Oh, there. Okay, bro. Okay. I have. So like, yeah. I think I've seen people play this game on TikTok. Like when I was I was on like TikTok yesterday, and I was watching like my Pride animations. Bro, hold on. What the heck are y'all? Nah, I'm out. Anyways, I was like I was like on my Pride edits and stuff like that. You know, not doing anything bad, doing harmless stuff, and then all of a sudden, and then all of a sudden, I come across this game by a user. I forgot their name because this like happened 3 weeks ago. Oh look, is this like the little leader's rock? Why do I keep getting stop getting distracted? No, stop getting distracted. You are supposed to be a fierce, I tell you, fierce. Anyways, I think it was kind of like a lioness that just gave birth, and then the fall to her son, and then the father comes in, and then the mom says, and then the mom's like, oh hey, Rust man, come meet your son. His name is Shadow. And then he's all like, and then he's like growling like, my son, you only had one cub. And he's like, this pride is going to fall if we don't have more lioness huntresses. And then he wants all the lionesses to go on a hunt, and the mother's all like, I just gave birth. I am so tired. And then the father's like, growls and be like, I do not care. Be prepared to hunt, or else. Have you guys seen that TikTok? I'm pretty sure you probably have. So like, yeah. This is kind of like a my pride thing. I kind of like it, so yeah. Have you guys seen that TikTok have you guys seen that TikTok video? Let me know in the comments. Well, I won't judge, because I don't judge people. Sunset Savannah? Oh my, okay. Well, it is time for me to have a name, I guess. Let's say let me. Oh, I know. Yes, Water Hunter, a perfect name. So you guys might be familiar with the name Water Hunter from My Pride. I think you guys are, at least if you watch My Pride. I know she's not really a big character in the series because she like doesn't even talk at all. Like even the big, like even those the characters that aren't really mentioned at all in the series, like they talk, but I guess she's just like mute. I guess she's like mute or something. So change rule. What? Clan murderer, bro? What the? What? There's like. Warrior. Why would I want to have my role be a clan murderer? It's like weird, but it's already selected, so okay, I guess. That's weird. It's a zip. Oh, it's gone, I guess. I kind of want to change my location. That looks like a. That is that a. How did a warrior cat make its way into this game? Well, I will not stand for it. We have like a big territory, cause like it's Savannah, and there's still territory on Savannah's, I think. But I'm on. I guess. Bro, what? Let me. I don't know anything about this place, but it kind of looks cool. Well, there's someone here. Let's see. Is there anyone else? I see some people up here. Wait, isn't that the same lion that I saw back in Prince Chop? I don't know. I'm like not paying attention. Princess. I remember when me and my old mom would fishing out of the water. Oh wow, that's so cool, but I honestly do not care. Just kidding, that's kind of, it's kind of, the reason I don't care is because it's like not even useful information that much. Okay, this place doesn't really seem fun because there's like no other, there's like only 4 lions in here right now. I kind of rather the dens have, wait a minute. You are a rogue. Okay. I feel like I need to get used to this game. This game confuses me. Oh, you can swim like the wire cats. Yeah, but I'm kind of lonely because there's like no one here. So let me go back to here. There's like a lot of people here. What is so good about this place? I'm like spying on their conversations because, well, I can and there's nothing they can do about it. So I'm like basically eavesdropping. There's like not that much going. There's like not that much going on right now. Is that? That lion has a bandana. It's cute. I kind of want to be the leader's daughter. I'm not sure who the leader is. But let me like name myself. I'm gonna name myself a random name. It was Water Hunter, but I'm gonna I'll name myself. I'm not sure what do I want to name myself. I tried to name myself Princess River, but it's not showing. Princess River. Well, oh, okay. It's rain. Wait, lions are like cats, but bigger, so shouldn't we hate the rain? So, yeah. But since I am Princess River, I guess my name means I like water. So, guess I don't mind getting wet. I want to start my own pride, but like I don't know if there's already a leader, but yeah, it's kinda complicated. Lion brides do not work like Warrior Cat clans. Wait, did I say princess? Didn't I see that? Wait. Yeah, I definitely saw that person somewhere else. I'm gonna like randomly ask the person who they want to be my mate as well. I want to make my own clan. This question is like so random, especially seeing how this is Prince Kion of the Pride Lands. So yeah, I don't know if he's talking, if he knows I'm talking to him, but yeah. What the Well, okay then. I'll just leave. I'm not embarrassed. Like, people ask every time in the Warrior Cats on the Ultimate Edition to be their mates all the time and get rejected. So, yeah. Wait. What's this? Create. Oh, I want to create a pride. I guess I'll do new rule. Okay. Let me just create our rule here. Well, yeah. Okay. Create pride. I like don't know what I'm doing. I'm like so confused. Yeah, I'm like the owner of this pride, I guess. I'm gonna ask random people if they want to join my pride. Wait. Oh. I think I hear my mom calling me. Hold on. Okay, I am back. I'm gonna ask anyone if they want to join my pride. There we go. Does anyone want to join here? Please, someone respond. No? Okay. Dude, I'm tired. Dude, I'm tired of people asking me these questions. I want to make a pride of my own. Like, I wonder what. What? You know what? Forget this. It's difficult. But I do really want to have a mate. There's not that many males here, it looks like. I know it's like random to ask strangers you don't know if they want to be your mate. Oh, I really like this girl's design. It's so beautiful. I am not familiar with this game, and I am acting very cringy today. So yeah, sorry about that. Sunset Savannah, though. Sunset Savannah is a cool yet weird name for a savannah. For the Serengeti. The Serengeti, if you don't know, the Serengeti is a second name for the savannah. So yeah, I want to make a pride, but I can't make a pride. So I want to ask random people if they want to join my pride. I like to use the microphone instead of chat. Instead of type. My fight. What the? What is it? Okay. Does any of you? I want to make a pride, and I can't if I don't have members. Oh no. Hashtag. Okay. I'm not even sure what I'm doing anymore. I guess. Honestly, I didn't really. I'm gonna jump down here and explore the Serengeti. I do wish you could hunt animals in this game though, because like there's like literally no animal stuff in here. I am like seriously. I guess I will go to Rogues. Kind of weird seeing as there's no one here, but who cares? Oh, someone is here. I feel like I saw them back at the Sunset Zone. Unclaimed. Oh, that's the savannah. Bro, the jungle is. Bro, this jungle is small. Oh, there's like more. Unclaimed lands. Not even. Dead lands? Oh. Okay. Not gonna even try to go over there because it's probably gonna be like the map border, so there's no point of even trying. I guess I'll go back over here. Unclaimed lands. Unclaimed? I would have said I wanted to create my own pride out here, but I can't. But there's like barely anyone being loners today, so yeah. Let's just move on. I'm basically like a traveler. You know those travelers in I Hope So comic version when they talk about travelers being like kind of like prideless in My Pride, but instead they're called travelers. But does anyone else think I Hope So is a kind of like My Pride? Because I kind of think they're alike. What's in here? Nothing, just rocks to lay on, I guess. Badlands. Queen Willow. Queen Willow. So that is Queen Willow, and I am your daughter, I guess. Can I be your daughter? I want to be in charge of a pride one day, if I'm going to have a pride. Waiting for response. Yes. Oh my God! I can be your daughter. Yes. Yeah. But you can't really call yourself a queen if. But you can't really call yourself a queen. Like, you can't really call yourself a queen if you don't have a pride, so. Sucks to suck, I guess. Princess River. I wanted my name to be shorter, because it's kind of weird saying having a name, Princess River. Oh, look, a lot. Hey, you're in our territory. Oh. I forgot, the lions were blue. Oh, look, mother, invade, and untruth her. State your purpose, weirdo other lion that just wandered into our territory, I guess. So, mother, wait for me. I'm a part of this pride too as your daughter. I'm just gonna follow y'all, cause I'm the queen's daughter, Princess River. IDK. Yeah, same. So that kind of backfires. Just gonna follow my mother, but one problem, I lost my mother. Where could my mother have gone? There's like, and it's like, and it ends here. Where did she go? Badlands. So I'm alone, and I lost my mother. Okay. Yeah. Hold on. Go to camp. I forgot. I already am in the camp. Oh, is that her? What the no, that's not her. Hey, who are you? Like, cause like I don't know you, you don't know me, so like yeah, I am Princess Willow, so I am like the princess of the ruler of this kingdom. So you need to leave. So I can basically tell you what to do, cause I am straight up royalty. Hello, are you there? They are definitely there, cause their character is moving. But they aren't responding. I guess since my mother is gone, I am queen. So let me just change my name. My name is no longer Princess River since my mother is gone. Oh, my mother is back. Well, it was from being Queen River while it lasted, only for like a few seconds. Oh man, it was fun being Queen River, only for like a few solid seconds. But hey, Mom came back, but at least I am going to be next in line for the throne one day. sure when when a prince or princess becomes like the heir to the throne, I'm pretty sure they have to choose like a wife or my mom is gone again, or I have to choose like a wife or a husband, and I'm pretty sure you need that. So yeah. Where did my mother go? Why does she keep? Oh, she's there. So I'm gonna ask my mom if I can pick a mate when I become before a few weeks before I become queen. Cause like when you're an heir to the throne, I'm pretty sure you're expected to have a mate. Otherwise, you can't have the next heir to the throne when you die. So yeah. But Queen Willow is asleep, aka my mother. So yeah. Yes. Oh wow. Thank you. I guess I'm just gonna sleep in here because yay. I get to pick a mate. I wonder if that other lion is still, oh, he or she is still up here. Let's ask a question. Friends is always the first step to have a mate. If you want to have a future girlfriend or boyfriend, just ask your crush if they want to be friends. And then hang out with them a lot, and then you might start to have feelings for you and be I'm your mate or girlfriend, boyfriend one day. What makes me so confused is how come this person is like not responding to anything I say. So yeah. Jaw open. I was kind of expecting there to be like the same kind of movements as in Warrior Cats Ultimate Edition, but this is not Warrior Cats Ultimate Edition. This is like a lion's pride. Let's try these. Oh, the ears go down. My mother is leaving. I open my jaw. I'm not sure exactly what those did. Oh, tongue out. Eyes closed, open. Oh, I can like limp. Well, there's still some things I can do. But seriously though, why does my mother keep disappearing? She leaves me. Health menu. Wounds. Shoulder wound. That way, it becomes more clear of what I can like not see any of the scars. Where are the damn scars? Did it even work? Shoulder. I want the damn wounds, for God's sake. Sorry. I am so confused on where my mother keeps going, so while she's gone, she'll probably be back soon. Oh look, it's that other lion. I think that's the same lion I saw earlier, the one who was talking. was following my mother around frantically. Oh, this is Prince. Oh yeah, it's you again. So you must be the queen's son. Are you like heir to the throne? Because newsflash, buddy, I am now. Yeah, I am the future queen. I am the future queen of the Badlands. But honestly, the Badlands needs a new name because the lands really don't look bad at all. Is that just me, or did something just move across my screen? Yeah, you better run. You aren't heir to the throne anymore, weirdo. I can just say the most randomest things at times. So are like you even there anymore, or whatever? I'm going inside to sleep because I can. Because I am the leader's daughter, and the leader's daughter can basically do what they want. So let me sleep. Oh look, it's morning. That was a short slumber. So let's just call it the next 12 hours. The next 12 hours later. Seriously though, where did my mom go? I would go looking for her, but I do not want to get myself lost. So we're going back. Honestly, this game is really fun. It's kind of like Warrior Cats Ultimate Edition, but it's different. Hold on, when I moved, I haven't been paying attention to my paw, to my limp paw. Does the paw go on the ground when I move? Oh no, it doesn't. It just stays up in the air. Well, good for me, because that's what I want it to do. Well, it does react when I jump. So, yeah. See, look. Stranger. That looked like a wait, where'd they go? Where'd they go? They literally just left behind that rock and I can't see them. So where did they go? But seriously though, like I was saying, every time I jump, my paw reacts. But, oh, another one of those little things are moving across my screen. How weird, yet satisfying. Well, since it doesn't seem like my mother's coming back, I would say I'm Queen River now, because my mom's been gone for like an awfully long time. But I am getting bored, so I guess I'll end the video here. This video has lasted like 33 minutes. I was about to say seconds. Anyways, guys, that's all for today. Make sure you like and subscribe if you want more content like this. Anyways, good